Hi everyone, welcome back to Techful Things YouTube channel, where we simplify tech for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to disconnect apps that are connected to your Tonkeeper app. Whether you want to enhance security or simply declutter your app connections, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Tonkeeper app. First, open your Tonkeeper app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access connected apps. Next, tap on the menu icon. This is usually located in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings or Connected Apps, depending on your app version. Step 3. Review connected apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps connected to your Tonkeeper wallet. Take a moment to review these connections. Step 4. Disconnect an app. To disconnect an app, tap on the app you want to remove. Look for the Disconnect or Remove Connection button and tap it. Confirm the action when prompted. And that's it. The app will no longer have access to your Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who use Tonkeeper. Don't forget to subscribe to Techful Things YouTube channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.